It's a winter wonderland out here in the snow. This is our driveway. You can't see it. Woo! Almost slipped there. We have the snow blower, so we're gonna snow blow the driveway here because you can't even see it. And the plow guy, he's making his rounds. It's beautiful out here. It's still snowing. We have about 2 feet of snow here in the Northeast. And it's coming down a little heavier, so I'm gonna go inside. But it's beautiful, and maybe later on I can try to make a snowman again because we have plenty of snow for it now. It's just beautiful how it looks on the trees. It's just gorgeous. Be careful though, because it can get slippery, but it's so fluffy right now. It's not too slippery. Cars get covered. It's definitely a cold winter this year. Whew. Yeah, it's getting a lot heavier, so I'm gonna go inside. Whew. Gonna go back in. I'm going through the back way. The stairs are all covered with snow.